Welcome to the channel. My name is Mr. Food, and today we're bringing you a special something for your hot summers. Whether it's cool or it's hot, it is summer and you need something refreshing, something that will give you energy, something with electrolytes. And today we're making you a blueberry lemonade. Blueberry lemonade. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Check out our channel, and in the description tap on vidIQ. vidIQ, if you're a creator, it should help you to make better thumbnails, make better videos, enhance your videos, enhance your pictures. So go ahead, tap the like button, join the family, help support Food for ANL, and let's get into it. Let's start with our lemons. Again guys, welcome to the channel. We are making lemonade and I am Mr. Food, your late night host. Today we're bringing you a special, we're making you a video. This is my potato peeler, but it basically can peel anything. Those will be saved for later on. As I said, everyone, don't forget to check out the channel. My name is Mr. Food and welcome to Food for ANL. Don't forget to tap the like button. Do watch the ads. You don't have to watch all of them or all of it, but it does help. YouTube is a business and also a place of creativity, so we do try to make it entertaining for you guys always. So today we're going to be using frozen blueberries. We will be using some frozen blueberries. So if you don't have frozen blueberries, get some ice. You can smash it, or if you have a decent blender like a Ninja, a powerful one, you can go ahead and crush your ice. We're going to be using around 4 to 6 lemons. We're going to make this extra delicious. And just so I don't bore you with all the boring details, we're going to go for a short break. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do join the family and help support a good food channel. We do adventures and stuff, but we're mainly checking out food, and we're trying to do different culinary arts and just to entertain you, you know what I mean? Again, do go check out Farrell's Corner. We will be doing a lot of travel that you guys will love to see, the adventure, the beautiful islands, and many more to come. Again, we'll be taking a short break. Don't forget to tap that like button and check out vidIQ on our page for a percentage off if you're a creator. Just go on the page, and in the description you'll see the vidIQ link. It is in some of the videos and live, so you can go in the description and tap the link. Again, don't forget to tap the like button. My name is Mr. Food and welcome to Food Trail ANL. Yes guys, so now we're gonna cut these up. You wanna get out your seeds, or you could keep the seeds in because they're going into your jug anyway. And since they're going into your jug, there is a strainer on your jug. But if you have a jar, you wanna remove all these seeds so they're not in your way. They're also really bitter, so they are really might spoil your lemonade. Again, if you never had blueberry lemonade, never thought of it, then welcome to Food for ANL, which is the right place to be. We are now getting out these seeds. We're de-seeding our lemons. Now if you don't have lemons, you can also use limes. Again, in this kitchen we use what we have. We try not to go overboard. When you don't have, you use what you have. This should be everyone's motto. Helps to save more on resources, right? Again, guys, don't forget to go tap the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let us know where you're from. Let us know if you will try this blueberry lemonade. Okay, so now our lemons are ready, and we're about to deal with our blender and our blueberries. I'll show you my blueberries frozen for a better taste. So this is my block of blueberry frozen, and we're gonna blend this all up together. Alright guys, here we are. Remember I was saying if you have a really decent blender, it makes a big difference. So I did put a lot of water into this. I will throw up a little bit, but we're trying to stretch our fruits because fruits and vegetables are really expensive nowadays. Alright, so we're gonna blend, and guys, do bear with us with the noise. It's just gonna be a few seconds. Alright guys, look how rich that is. So we're gonna go for a break. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back in a second. So welcome back to Food for LA&L. As I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tap that like button. So if you have never had blueberry lemonade, today we're showing you how to make blueberry lemonade. We already blended our blueberries, frozen blueberries. We added, let's say 2 bottles of water. We're gonna also add 4 lemons, de-seeded lemons. Let's get into it. Tap, share, like, subscribe, and join the family. So we're gonna be straining our blueberry. Look how rich that is. It looks like beetroot or hibiscus. Sorrel, if you may, which is what they call hibiscus in certain countries. So you want to strain off most of that blueberry stuff. If you want to strain it, it's all about preference. We want to get it smooth and consistent. Again, blueberry is so rich that, yeah, we will be using this for another fixture. So that one will be in a second, but by the time we're finished, there should only be a little left. And this could be used as a filling, guys. If you are making any crackers or any of those stuff, any cookies or pastries, you could use this blueberry as the filling, or add some sugar to this and make some blueberry jam. Alright, so we're gonna put that aside. So here we are again. We're gonna be squeezing our lemons. We're just gonna be squeezing them out. If you didn't wash your hands, you know, wash your hands. We're just gonna squeeze our lemons, and we're also gonna drop our pulps inside. You want to squeeze out most of the juice because it will take up the blueberry juice inside. So you want to release the lemon juice first. And then the good thing about this, you can eat your lemon pulps later on, which is good for your palate. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna add an extra lemon into it. Gonna squeeze that. Just gonna rip into it. Put my hand underneath to catch the seeds. Then we're gonna add some sugar to that. We're also gonna add some homemade orange zest. Orange zest is basically the orange peel, dried, baked, and powdered. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of orange zest. Again, another thing that is good for your metabolism and also your stomach. We're gonna put a quark or a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We're gonna do around 4 tablespoons of white sugar. And yes, I'm using my wooden spoon again. I love my wooden spoon. So that's a little bit over 4, that's like 6 tablespoons. You can even go ahead and squeeze. Guys, we're gonna serve this chilled, frozen, with ice. It doesn't matter what you choose because it's gonna be delicious. Alright guys, so here we are. You can see the ice. Just gonna add your ice in. And you want to make sure you mix in your granulated sugar quite well. Look how beautiful that is. Guys, this is what dreams are made of. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Food for LA now. Blueberry lemonade. Nothing tastes better. I am going to try a cup most definitely. That looks so beautiful. I'm gonna add my ice. Grab my ladle. Guys, that looks delicious. Oh, grab any ice inside ice. I will grab some lemon though. Look how beautiful that looks.